My name is Ryan Rascop, and I am the AI Portfolio Manager at GDT. Many technology organizations understand that AI is a necessity, but they're not sure which use cases, whether that be product or customer-facing, should come first. Products often stall because they're not tied to KPIs, SLAs, or true product outcomes. Existing environments were not designed for intensive GPU workloads, and data sources are generally disparate against different data sources and clouds. GDT helps technology companies by starting with business outcomes, aligning across strategy, data, and infrastructure. The use cases that are most relevant in the tech industry and create the most business value right now are the ones that are closely tied to KPIs, SLAs, margin, or revenue growth. Examples include embedding AI into software offerings, increasing efficiencies for internal customers and external customers, and utilizing things like an AI factory to build a platform to create repeatable business outcomes for tech organizations. AI factory is an important concept for technology providers because it helps to provide a reusable platform for data, infrastructure, and governance to allow their users to expand their business outcomes securely and safely. GDT, together with NVIDIA, NetApp, and Cisco, provides accelerated computing, an AI platform, the data intelligence engine, and secure networking, all integrated together as one full solution. NVIDIA represents the accelerated compute and AI platform in the stack. NetApp provides the data platform for artificial intelligence, and Cisco provides the best in networking and security, as well as the compute that includes the NVIDIA GPUs. GDT provides the special sauce around that, incorporating the integration and providing platforms to our customers in a very secure and safe way. The best way to get started with GDT in the AI space is with our AI strategy workshop. We partner with our clients together to uncover the most important needle-moving use cases in our organization, tie it to return on investment, ensure that they're going down the right path to create a true business outcome.